My name is Camila Vargas. I'm a student at Collin College, and I've been here for 2 years, and I'm finishing up the program in May. With iart Academy, it's very simplified, and so it's just easier to find what you're looking for, and everything is organized, even to the videos and the pictures, like the slides that it shows. The quality of it, you can tell that it's a lot nicer and up to date. It makes you be active throughout it, whether it be clicking something, highlighting something. It's forcing you to be engaged. So you never really have a moment where you're like, oh, I can just fall asleep. No, you're actively engaging in it and reading along, and it'll also read with you. It shows you the progress with each badge, and then even if you want to look back at, I guess, old assignments or just old courses, it shows you what grade you got, and then you can go through it, skip through it. It shows you the progress you've made, your grades, just what you still have left more so for that badge. With Academy, the organization, the simplicity of it, it just doesn't feel like you're sitting going to training. It is incredibly easy to use.